why you guys are quiet.
Okay.
Classes, this is your Olympic as a 20 right. You are going to come outside.
Yeah,